Aren't you bored of using this very all the time? So instead of very, you can use these smart words. This video is going to be more helpful to the people who are preparing for IELTS, because in IELTS they expect from the students to not to be repetitive and be innovative in writing as well as speaking tasks. I would suggest you to score good in IELTS, you should start using these words instead of very. So now let's discuss one or two words, then we'll deal with the 100 words that I'm going to discuss in this video. For example, if you consider a task is very difficult and you don't want to use this very difficult word, you can replace it with arduous. You can simply say it is an arduous task. So hope you got a little bit of idea how to replace very with smart words. And please don't make this mistake of skipping the video, because I've told the pronunciation of each and every word that I have discussed. So you may miss the pronunciation. So I would suggest you please watch the video till the end, don't skip in the middle. You can just listen to the video as well while you are sleeping or while you are traveling or any free time. You can just go through the video. Without further ado, let's get started with the lesson.
The first one is very small. If something is very small, you can say it is petite. Petite. Just say with me, very small, petite. So instead of using very small, you can say petite. Next is very difficult. You can replace very difficult with arduous. Arduous. Say with me, arduous. The third is very poor. That means destitute. Very poor, destitute. Next is very big. Very big, you can say massive. Massive. Next is very noisy, deafening. Very noisy, deafening. Next one is very bad, awful. Very bad, awful. Very crowded, bustling. Very crowded, bustling. Very cold is freezing. Very cold, freezing. Very funny, hilarious. Very funny, hilarious. Very colorful, vibrant. Very colorful, vibrant. Now, the next is very confused, perplexed. Very confused, perplexed. Very skinny, skeletal. Very skinny, skeletal. Very sure, certain. Very sure, certain. Very open, transparent. Very open, transparent. Very perfect, flawless. Very perfect, flawless. Next is very talented, gifted. Very talented, gifted. Very slow, sluggish. Very slow, sluggish. Very rich, wealthy. Very rich, wealthy. Very often, frequently. Very often, frequently. Very short, brief. Very short, brief. Now let's see the other important words. Very hungry, starving. Very hungry, starving. Very afraid, fearful. Very afraid, fearful. Very pale, ashen. Very pale, ashen. Very enjoyable, pleasing. Very enjoyable, pleasing. Very scary, dreadful. Very scary, dreadful. Very detailed, meticulous. Very detailed, meticulous. Very complete, comprehensive. Very complete, comprehensive. Very costly, expensive. Very costly, expensive. Very powerful, compelling. Very powerful, compelling. Very tight, constricted. Very tight, constricted. Next is very smart, clever. Very smart, clever. Very intelligent, genius. Very intelligent, genius. Very important, crucial. Very important, crucial. Very boring, tedious. Very boring, tedious. Very hot, boiling. very hot, boiling. Very strong, sturdy. Very strong, sturdy. Very suitable, apt. Very suitable, apt. Very trustworthy, reliable. Very trustworthy, reliable. Very jealous, envious. Very jealous, envious. Very doubtful, suspicious. Very doubtful, suspicious. Very fancy, lavish. Very fancy, lavish. Very tired, exhausted. Very tired, exhausted. Very competitive, cutthroat. Very competitive, cutthroat. Very interesting, captivating. Very interesting, captivating. Very happy, ecstatic. Very happy, ecstatic. Very sorry, apologetic. Very sorry, apologetic. Very fast, quick. Very fast, quick. Very smooth, sleek. Very smooth, sleek. Very loud, thunderous. Very loud, thunderous. Very shiny, glossy. Very shiny, glossy. Next is very sleepy, lethargic. Very sleepy, lethargic. Very long term, enduring. Very long term, enduring. Very stupid, idiotic. Very stupid, idiotic. Very necessary, essential. Very necessary, essential. Very old, ancient. Very old, ancient. Very glad, overjoyed. Very glad, overjoyed. Very painful, excruciating. Very painful, excruciating. Very necessary, essential. Very necessary, essential. Very old fashioned, archaic. Very old fashioned, archaic. Very sad, gloomy. Very sad, gloomy. Very sweet, adorable. Very sweet, adorable. Very friendly, amiable. Very friendly, amiable. Very eager, keen. Very eager, keen. Very fat, obese. Very fat, obese. Very shy, timid. Very shy, timid. Very worried, distressed. Very worried, distressed. Very serious, grave. Very serious, grave. Very clean, spotless. Very clean, spotless. Very thirsty, parched. Very thirsty, parched. Very dangerous, perilous. Very dangerous, perilous. Very deep, profound. Very deep, profound. Very easy, effortless. Very easy, effortless. Very excited, thrilled. Very excited, thrilled. Very evil, wicked. Very evil, wicked. Very clear, obvious. Very clear, obvious. Very hard to find, rare. Very hard to find, rare. Very kind, compassionate. Very kind, compassionate. Very nervous, apprehensive. Very nervous, apprehensive. Very tall, towering. Very tall, towering. Very weak, frail. Very weak, frail. Very tasty, delicious. Very tasty, delicious. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very rainy, pouring. Very rainy, pouring. Very bright, dazzling. Very bright, dazzling. Very ugly, nasty. Very ugly, nasty. Very loved, adored. Very loved, adored. Very angry, furious. Very angry, furious. Very dear, cherished. Very dear, cherished. Very valuable, precious. Very valuable, precious. Very good, terrific. Very good, terrific. Next is very different, unique. Very different, unique. Very smelly, pungent. Very smelly, pungent. Very busy, swamped. Very busy, swamped. Very same, exact. Very same, exact. Very hurt, battered. Very hurt, battered. Very dry, arid. Very dry, arid. Very upset, distraught. Very upset, distraught. Very calm, serene. Very calm, serene. Very careful, cautious. Very careful, cautious. And the last one is very creative, innovative. Very creative, innovative. So here we complete all the important words, and please guys do practice it by speaking as well as writing so that you replace very with these smart words. Here we come to the end of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed the lesson and it was useful to you. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and the bell button so that you get the notifications timely. Stay connected with Frankly Speaking for more such information. Thank you so much.